Well, the crime branch officials have been able to make a breakthrough as far as the firing incident outside Salman Khan's residence is concerned. Two accused have been arrested for allegedly firing outside Bollywood actor Salman Khan's residence in Bandra West on the 14th of April. The two suspected shooters were caught in Gujarat's Bhuj. The police said two arrested individuals will be taken to Mumbai for further investigation. The two of them have been identified as Vicky Gupta and Sagar Pal, and both hail from Bihar, fled to Gujarat after the incident. Both, in fact, are part of gangster Lawrence Bishnoi's gang, who is currently lodged in Gujarat's Sabarmati jail. We also, in fact, have a reaction coming in from the police. Let's listen into how the investigation led them to the accused who were nabbed from Gujarat.
બોમ્બે ની અંદર જે થોડા દિવસ પહેલા અભિનેતા સલમાન ખાનના ઘરની બાજુમાં ફાયરિંગનો બનાવ બનેલ, જે બનાવ અનુસંધાને બોમ્બે પોલીસ એની તપાસ કરતા હતા અને બોમ્બે પોલીસ દ્વારા આપણા કચ્છ પોલીસને માહિતી મળેલ.
The Mumbai police informed the Kutch police about the firing incident outside Salman Khan's residence.
આ માહિતી અનુસંધાને આપણા બોર્ડર રેન્જના આઈજીપી શ્રી ચિરાગ કોટડિયા સાહેબ અને આપણા પશ્ચિમ કચ્છના ડીઆઈજીપી શ્રી મહેન્દ્ર બગડિયા સાહેબે આ બાબત ખૂબ જ ચકચારી હોય એની ગંભીરતા લઈ અને આપણા કચ્છની અંદર જો આરોપી હોય તો કોઈ પણ રીતે એને હસ્તગત કરવા માટે अलग-अलग टीमों बनावी.
After we got the information, our senior officers started the investigation. Different teams, in fact, were formed to nab the accused.
બાબતે હ્યુમન ઇન્ટેલિજન્સી અને ટેકનિકલ રિસોર્સિસની મદદથી બોમ્બે પોલીસના સંપર્કમાં રહી આ આરોપીને અથાગ મહેનતથી ઝડપી લીધા છે.
With the help of intelligence, we were constantly in touch with the Mumbai police, and after a lot of efforts, we were able to nab the accused from Bhuj.
આ બંને આરોપીઓ બિશ્નોઈ ગેંગ સાથે સંકળાયેલા હોવાની શક્યતા છે.
Both these accused are suspected to be part of the Lawrence Bishnoi gang.
વતની છે, એકની ઉંમર 21 અને 24 છે, એ યુવાન છે અને પોલીસ ઉપર પણ કોઈ પણ સમયે એસોલ્ટ કરી શકવાની શક્યતાઓ નકારી શકાતી નથી. આ બંને આરોપીઓ ત્યાં ફંગલ હોટલની અંદર રોકાઈ અને ત્યાં ફાયરિંગ કરતા પહેલા ખૂબ જ રેકી કરેલ છે.
The accused are aged 21 and 24. Before they carried out the incident, before they fired shots outside Salman Khan's residence, they did a recce of the entire area.
અને એલસીબીની અથાગ મહેનતથી અને હ્યુમન ઇન્ટેલિજન્સી અને ટેકનિકલ રિસોર્સિસથી બંને આરોપીઓ આપણે હસ્તગત કર્યા છે.
With the help of human intelligence and technical resource, we were able to nab the accused.
કર્યા છે. આગળની તપાસ એ લોકો કરી રહ્યા છે.
So the Gujarat cops, they're saying that further investigation is currently underway. Also talking in detail about how they were able to nab the accused. As far as this probe is concerned of the firing outside Salman Khan's residence, both the shooters have been taken to Mumbai crime branch to take custody of the accused. That's what we're given to understand. We have Shrishti and Arunil getting us more details. Shrishti, give us the latest. What's happening? Have they been brought to Mumbai? And what about the crime branch custody?
Well, definitely both the accused has been brought to Mumbai, and from Mumbai airport they will be brought in here at Mumbai Police Commissioner's office, and the further investigation will be done. However, the Police Commissioner has mentioned the fact that they'll be conducting a press conference giving out all the details, but yes, an important crackdown wherein we can see both the accused has been caught by the Mumbai police with the help of Gujarat police, as well as in this particular matter wherein 15 teams were deployed of Mumbai police. They were hunting down these shooters. They are hunting down the Lawrence Bishnoi angle in this particular matter. The Anmol Bishnoi, who has taken the responsibility, also mentioned on his Facebook post. What he mentioned is that this is just a teaser and Salman Khan should be aware of this fact. Also, the IP address of this particular Facebook post was tracked down to Canada, and now the police is investigating the matter further. However, the first reaction which came from the Salman Khan's family was from his brother Arbaz Khan. He mentioned the fact that the family is absolutely disturbed and shocked by the incident. They are trying to cooperate with police, and they want the safety and security of the family should be ensured by the police, and they are also cooperating for the same. However, the war of words in terms of the incident of firing which took place in front of Salman Khan's house has erupted between the opposition as well as the state government. What it comes across is that the opposition is raising an attack on the state government, mentioning the fact that the law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra is worsening, and specifically the Home Minister Devendra Fadnavis is busy in doing campaignings and not paying attention to the condition of law and order situation in the state of Maharashtra. Yesterday, Uddhav Thackeray also mentioned,
Right. Well, that of course is part of the political blame game that's happening. But let's focus on the investigation and the multiple inputs that we are getting. Arunil is with us on the broadcast. Arunil, from the fact that they stayed in a flat in Panvel to how they did the recce to how the Mumbai crime branch got in touch with the Gujarat police and with the help of human intelligence and technical resource, like we just heard in that reaction coming in from a cop from Gujarat, they've been able to connect the dots that finally led them to these accused.
Well, that is right. Basically, at present, I'm reporting from the main police headquarters of the Mumbai police, the Mumbai CP office. This is where the press conference will be held at around 1 p.m. today. Both the accused, Vicky Gupta, as well as the other accused who's been nabbed from the Kutch area of Gujarat, they have been brought to Mumbai now. Here, basically, we hope that the Mumbai police will be able to divulge, because interrogation of the two accused has taken place in Gujarat as well. Gujarat police has confirmed that off record they have confirmed that the link of Lawrence Bishnoi can be established in this entire case, as well as what was the exact motive of the attack. Also, basically, was there an intention to physically hurt actor Salman Khan, or was this an attempt to scare actor Salman Khan and give out a message by the Lawrence Bishnoi gang, because they have been repeatedly doing this. We had seen that how Lawrence Bishnoi had earlier also given out a live threat to actor Salman Khan. This is in relation to the Black Bucks case from Jodhpur, and we had seen that how when actor Salman Khan's father Salim Khan, when he was having a morning walk, he was doing a morning walk near his residence in Bandra Bandstand, there was a threat letter that was being recovered from there as well. The same threat letter, accountability for that as well was taken by the Bishnoi gang itself. It was Anmol Bishnoi who first gave out a Facebook message, in the name of Anmol Bishnoi, who is the brother of Lawrence Bishnoi, based out from California in the United States. He had basically absconded to California after the Sidhu Moosewala murder. So these kind of threats and attacks related to Bollywood personalities, singing personalities, is not new to the Bishnoi gang, and
right,
that
absolutely.
is why the
meanwhile, we're getting some breaking inputs as well. Arunil, I'll take some details from you on that. We're given to understand that the Mumbai police has taken the accused to GT hospital for their medical examination. So, Arunil, both accused taken to the hospital for medical examination?
Well, the accused have been taken to the GT hospital for their medical examination. After that, they will be produced in court, and simultaneously a press conference will be held by the Mumbai police as well. These are the procedures that usually the cops have to follow. With respect to the other investigation details that we are getting from our sources from the Mumbai police, both these accused were staying in a flat in Panvel. We have access exclusive visuals from the Panvel flat as well. In fact, a neighbor also spoke about them, saying that they used to remain very aloof, hardly spoke to anybody. And in Panvel itself, from a second-hand bike dealer, they bought a bike. They basically conducted a recce of Salman Khan's house and the vicinity area, because carrying out a shooting attack in a prominent location like the Galaxy Apartments, wherein thousands and hundreds of Salman Khan fans basically throng, especially during Eid also, we had seen Salman Khan coming on the same balcony. They have basically shot near the balcony wall itself. So what kind of a message they
clearly they did a recce, and they knew, yes, they clearly also knew which portion of the area of his house is exposed to the public. And on Eid, like you said, he made an appearance on the balcony, which he usually does to meet his fans. Thank you very much, Arunil and Shrishti, for getting us the details.